This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. This fuck, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get to the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and I'm happy to update everyone that the town car is back. So a quick little backstory. I had brought the car to get a dyno tune because I've had some issues with just the car idling when it's cold since I put in cams into the car. So I brought the car over to Granite State Dyno Tune. Over at Granite State Dyno Tune, we actually managed to blow up the transmission in the car. So I ended up having to have that towed over to Ken's Auto, where he removed the transmission and worked on getting it rebuilt. The transmission rebuild actually consisted of new performance clutches, Kevlar reinforced bands, also a billet drum, and also a JMOD, which is pretty damn awesome. So I ended up getting the car back. Town car's back. So I ended up getting the car back to my house. It ended up leaking transmission fluid all over my driveway. Unfortunately, what ended up happening was the transmission tube at the end of it, I guess it had a crack or something, and Kenny couldn't find a replacement quick enough, nor could he find something that actually fit in the town car as a replacement. So he had just placed it back in, but somehow it had worked its way back out. So I ended up towing the car once again. Within a few hours, Kenny was able to come up with a quick fix for the transmission dipstick tube. And as you can see, I am back on the road with the town car, so I'm happy to report it's shifting awesome. I will be doing a video about the JMOD with the can shift paddle shifters. It makes it absolutely awesome. You can feel every single shift. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.